Streamlabs OBS, how to stream on Facebook using Streamlabs OBS in 5 minutes. This will be a little tutorial for you if you want to just jump straight into it, okay? So with that, let's jump straight into it then, alright? So first off, what you gotta do is you gotta download streamlabs.com. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. No problem. And so after you download it, install it, I already have it, so I'm just gonna cancel this. But yeah, after you do that, download it, install it, open it up. And before you really fully get into streaming, make sure you check your connection too. Check your upload speed. That's the most important one. The crucial one right there. Your upload speed will tell you if you'll lag or not. So the minimum upload speed you should have is 3.5 megabytes per second. And if you have that, then you're pretty much good to go. If it's anything lower than that, then you might run into some issues with lag, frame rate issues. It's not gonna be a good time for anybody involved. Okay? So what you gotta do, if it's lower than that, then you gotta talk to your internet service provider and bump it up. What's the issue? What's up? Or I don't know, pay for more. Anyway, let's open up Streamlabs. Okay, so log in the bottom left, connect it to Facebook, and for this, yeah, just log in. I'm just gonna pause this so you don't see my information. Right, and so after that, you should have this popping up, something similar to this. So you either continue as yourself or edit your settings. I want to stream to one of my Facebook pages, so we'll do the tin font, my main Facebook page. Okay. And if you don't have one, then I definitely recommend you create a Facebook page because it'll just make the whole process a lot easier to do. It's also pretty easy to make a Facebook page too. Pretty important, pretty crucial. All right, next, and then just allow them to, you know, all this stuff. It's no problem. No worries. You can trust Streamlabs. You're now linked to Streamlabs Facebook. Okay. All right. And then since Streamlabs is like super integrated into Facebook, you can just click go live. And then, oh right, I should do that. Let's add some sources. Okay, you don't want to go live with just a blank black screen, right? So I think one of the important things is to add a webcam, and so I've got my second webcam connected right here, and let's change the device default to custom. Let's just fill up the whole page. Okay, 1920 by 1080. And so it should fill up right now pretty nicely. Okay, good to go. And then you could just leave it at this. You can just stream yourself talking with your audience or something like that, whatever. Or you're probably gonna be playing games, so you can either do game capture, window capture, or display capture. I recommend you do game capture for like for the actual like full screen game, like League of Legends, Fortnite, and stuff like that. This is one that'll give you the least amount of lag for your streaming. But for this example, we're gonna be doing a Minesweeper, one of my favorites, a classic, I gotta say. So just choose it from the window, Minesweeper X, because I don't want to pay for, you know, the old Minesweeper, because who in the right mind thought that was a good idea, dude? Crazy. And you know, just scale it down accordingly. And you could leave it at this, but I think one crucial thing, the essential, this alert box. Okay, this will tell you whenever someone likes the page or shares it or donates. Very crucial, very important. Basically shows like the engagement for whoever is watching the stream. Okay, so we just do a little test right here. So either, you know, donation, you do whenever someone shares the stream or supporting you. I guess that's kind of like, you know, being a sub, like for Twitch, but you know, in terms of Facebook, I guess. Stars, this is kind of like bits, and likes. So whenever, you know, someone likes the stream, okay. And after that, you just go live. Don't do this. Do the go live button. This is unnecessary, completely unnecessary. It's in fun to creator. Title, yeah, Minesweeper hot moves, sure thing. And then follow me on twitch.tv/tinfon for more. And then game. Can you just do no game? I'm pretty sure you can, but for this we're gonna do Minesweeper, of course. Classic Minesweeper probably, and then confirm and go live, and you're pretty much good to go. Yeah, it should be very streamlined, and then this should pop up, and then oh, you write your own comment, dude. Wow. And yeah, that about does it for that. Let's go back to here and see how it's looking on our Facebook page. So go to the page, and then it should show up that we're live right here too. Minesweeper hot moves. That's it right there. All right. So yeah, that'll do it for that. All right. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this on me, 4 videos, and you know, stay tuned for more tips, tricks, other guides for how to improve your stream. And yeah, I'll definitely do a video on, like, you know, changing your webcam quality and stuff like that. But thanks for watching. See you in the next. All right. Lots of